Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix cleaning Windows screen stuck. If your PC stays with this message of blocked cleaning, you must wait between 10 to 15 minutes for the system environment to be recovered by itself. Solvetic does not recommend, only in extreme cases, forcibly turning off the PC by pressing the power button for 3 seconds. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. When a certain time passes, it will depend on your hardware. You will regain control of the system. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.